Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Gajar Gobhi or Shalgam ka Meetha Khatta achar, that is sweet and sour pickled carrots, cauliflower and turnips. Put a wok over medium heat with 200 ml mustard oil in it on medium heat. Heat until smoky, then turn off the heat and let oil cool down a bit. This process of heating until smoky removes the strong flavor of mustard oil. Add 200 gram peeled and finely chopped or grated onions into wok when oil has cooled down a bit. Adding onion into slightly cooled oil prevents burning of it. Turn the heat on again to medium setting, stir, and saute onions for 6 to 8 minutes or until onions are lightly browned. Now stir in 50 gram peeled and grated fresh ginger root. You may add in some finely chopped garlic or garlic paste also at this stage, but we are not adding it. Stir and saute further for 3 to 4 minutes or until onion mixture is well browned. Add 250 gram of grated or pounded or chopped jiggery into onion mixture. You may reduce or increase the amount of jiggery according to your taste and liking. Stir to mix well, then pour 125 ml white vinegar into wok, cook and stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 or 3 teaspoon or to taste garam masala, 1 teaspoon, or to taste red chili powder or paprika, 2 teaspoon or to taste salt. Always use seasonings according to your taste. Cook and stir further for 3 to 4 minutes or until jiggery melts completely. Turn off the heat now and add in 750 gram of mixed carrot pieces, cauliflower florets, and turnip slices which we had blanched, drained and dried under fan and had used half of them in making of tangy pickle. If you want to recall the recipe, click on to the link below. Stir well to coat all vegetables evenly with oil mixture. Finally add 50 gram coarsely ground rayee, that is ground mustard seeds, into vegetables mixture and stir until all are evenly coated. Transfer pickle into a large glass bowl or glass or plastic jar and pour the remaining spiced oil over vegetables. Leave aside for 3 to 4 days. Gajar Gobhi or Shalgam ka Meetha Khatta achar is ready after 4 days. You may consume it up to a couple of years. Enjoy! Like and subscribe for more recipe videos. It is absolutely free.